Oh, it amuses me. All right. Tonight, but wait, there's more. It's just a bunch of randomness. Me man knows how to pick the juicy ones. Ew. Uncle Herb, if I have an idea, if we consume the flesh of the recovered from the outbreak, we will take on their immunity. I don't think that'll work. But you never know. All right, I need this. I need this cup. Cup of coffee. Value priceless. Improves happiness. Restores stamina. Resistance to stupidity. And resistance to frost. I like it. Oh, oh yeah, the blood is actually works. They just can't make enough of it to do that for everybody. Oh, tell more sauce included, of course. Unless we eat them. Oh. How big is that cup? 11 ounces. That's a big cup, isn't it?
No.
Or is 15 ounces a big cup?
8 ounces, a little tiny cup.
I think 15
Most of our
ounces is
cups
the one
are
I like.
probably 15, 16.
Yeah. Your desk mug is 16? Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking 15 is like the ones I like that are bigger. Yeah, because that little one, I'd have to run back downstairs and get another one real quick. Even though, by the time I drink my cup of coffee, it's cold anyway while I'm working. 15, 2 full cups, 1 ounce short. Ah, gotcha. Gotcha. But wait,
There's more.
this one gave me a chuckle. It's a Skyrim pillow. Hey, you. You're finally awake. I got this one because I've played the beginning about 10 times.
And that's as far as she
And
got.
that's as far as I get. So I know this part really well. Oh, Uncle Herb wants his pillow. I can tell. Oh. I thought it was cute. Not another Skyrim release. Oh, my hands are killing me. Too much washing. I need lotion. It puts the lotion on its paws.
I've got some hand sanitizer for you.
What's going on over there? Don't you steal that bone from her. I saw that. Nisa, why don't you take that back? Try licking your
She's
hands.
got 20 pounds on her. Knock her butt out.
Take that back from her. You let her get away with too much.
And she's very protective of the little one, too.
Just wait till the Ultra Platinum Special Edition. Only $60 more. Oh, I have so much lotion at my desk. I have some. Hold on. I got it. It's right under here.
Hand sanitizer doesn't count as lotion.
No, I stole a tube of yours.
Oh, great.
You didn't even notice it was gone. Hold on. Everyone moisturize. We'll moisturize together. Ah. Oh, that feels good. I can feel it soaking into the nooks and crannies. Oh, yeah, that's good. A little ASMR stream for you. Oh, that was the painkillers. Oh, okay. Better. Oh, see, much better. But wait.
There's more.
Okay, with everybody either home or working from home, I thought this would be something nifty. Hey, Swag, how you doing, hun? Oh, Swag, did you see? It worked in Discord. I saw you go live today, so it worked. And what were you playing? What were you playing? I have a question. If I'm in prison and there is a quarantine, can I go home? No. Oh, 'cause I said so. That's why. Oh, you worked on your land of flora and fauna in Minecraft today. If you have not checked out Swag, our very own Swag, click on this link that'll magically appear. And if you like some Minecraft, I'm waiting for the link to magically appear.
Everything is awesome.
There you go.
Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome when we live in our dream.
I think it needs more movement. We need to make it move more. You decided to reboot the world and change the mod pack a bit after the stream. Oh, cool beans. So because home is where the heart is and you're heartless. Oh, bang! Because you must shelter in place. Okay. Oh, what we do? Oh, so because everybody's home, I thought this would be a nice way to wake and bake, baby. The Dream Griddle alarm clock.
That's not how you wake and bake.
Get up on the tasty side of bed. Can you imagine having pancakes cooking right next to the bed? Nothing like oil splatters on your face. Oh, yeah, put the bacon on there. The bacon will wake you up. Oh, snooze preheat button. That guy in bed is going to turn himself into a bed burrito. Bacon fat is just warm massage oil. Nightlight feature and non-stick Teflon coated surface. Rise and dine. Oh, that's too cute. What's the back say? Whether you prefer to wake up over easy or sunny side, the Dream Griddle will have you cooking before your feet hit the floor.
They've also got the Dream Fryers.
With industry-leading features like a convenient snooze preheat function and a built-in carbon monoxide detector. It's easy to see why Wake and Bake is the clear choice. And a Dream Fryer. Late night snacks are a dream with this handy little unit from Wake and Bake.
Inconceivable!
A 1-quart oil tank that can cook enough fries, onion rings, or crisp chicken drummies. for both sides of the bed. Available in attractive piano gloss black or stainless steel to complement any bedroom decor. Oh, that's cute. So how does it flip the pancakes? You gotta wake up, Panda, and flip them yourself. And yes, it is a joke box. But what if? Huh? What if? One can dream. Turn your bed into a slip and slide. I don't want to know where you got that from, Delmar. And speaking of beds, look at this. Is that not freaking adorable? It's a sponge holder in the shape of a bed. And the sponge is included. Thought it was too cute. Oh, look. Clean dreams. How about the alarm clock that automatically flips the bed upside down? No, I would not like that. 2 days into the pillows are disgusting soggy lumps. And the bed frame is all sorts of nasty colors. Queen size. Aw, no, look how cute that is. Oh, you could put your little Brillo pads there. I'm pretty sure the pillows are plastic. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, FPS. Your pet cricket would love that. A bed just this size. Yeah! Oh, that would be so cute. No, Gator, now you need to get a pet cricket. You told me. You told me how to pet cricket. Better go outside and get one. Drink him if you got him. Okay, better. I'm just envisioning those sponges after a couple days and how the cuteness of the bed will emphasize how nasty the sponge looks. It'll encourage you to throw away your sponge quicker. Oh, sorry, Swag. I thought it was too cute, though. Or make this the guest sponge. Like guest towels. So if you know somebody's coming over, about 3 months from now, you quick take this out. It could be the guest sponge. Oh, a bit ashamed I'm keeping you. Doo-doo now! Is it late by you? Get some sleep, hun. Sleep is good. So, like in the shower, what do you expect your guests to wash with? Here's your complimentary steel wool. Enjoy your shower. No, imp. You put it in the kitchen, but it's the guest sponge. It's like guest towels in the bathroom, but you quick swap it out in the kitchen, so it looks like you're all cute and clean. When really, your ratty old sponge is under the counter. Oh, depending on their level of makeup, they might need the steel wool. Oh my goodness. This is the look. I never wash anything sponge. Exactly. Try and spruce up your lives a little. Get sponge for when they stay too long. Oh, people who have dishwashers have these. Be a bear to dust, though. Well, after your guest leaves, then you quick stick it back in a sandwich bag so it stays dust free. Are you serious about exfoliation? That top one is when your sponge is too good for you. Oh. Or you could cut a little piece of loofah and put it in there for when your guests are molting. Oh, no, there's no bunk beds. Maybe you could melt two together and make bunk beds. But wait. There's more. And speaking of the sink, this is hard to see. But this is useful. This is a soap dispenser thingy. I want one of these. You connect it like
Everything is awesome.
Soap dispenser thingy.
yeah. Hold on. Dudu now says, is the guest sponge for when your guests do the dishes or for when you wash your guests? Now that is hospitality. Like I have that, the pumpy thing on the sink, but you have to refill it all the time because it's small.
How about no?
But there, you just stick the big bottle of soap down below with the hose. Never fill the bottle again. Now you have to fill the big bottle with the little opening. No, Chrissy. You just put a new cap. You put a new cap on a new bottle. That's the refill bottle. You get it? You get it? It's brilliant. It's brilliant. I like it. See, now you got it. Light bulb. But wait. And this makes me think I never had the pancakes that I wanted last weekend that we're going to have this weekend, dag nabbit.
Yeah, right.
But this is a Pancake Raider. Huh? Someone thought of this. This was brilliant. Swag's having waffles for supper. Oh, this would work with waffles too. Does it have a... But see, you stick the batter in there and then press the button and bazinga! Exactly. Coyote, welcome, hon. How you doing? Happy Friday. Happy weekend. This is cool. I like this. Huh? Because I just pour with the bowl and then it gets all over and it sticks and yeah, it poops it right out. Exactly, Barry. We use a plastic bottle like you put ketchup in. Oh, Chris, do you make the artsy fartsy
Not the
pancakes?
poopy ones!
Coyote, I am wonderful because it's Friday and we can stay up as late as we want. Wait, do I have my mug? Where's my mug? Do I have my mug in here?
It might be downstairs getting washed.
Oh, it might be. Frassa. Now, Now you two can make crappy pancakes.
Just poop them right out.
It's your Wednesday. So, oh, Chris, do you make the artsy fartsy pancakes? Do you make like shapes and I bet you make Disney characters, right? Huh? Do you make Mickey pancakes? Is that person turning an omelet with their bare fingers? It looks like it. No, we can just control the sizes of the pancakes. And we make quadruple batches to freeze. Oh, that's cool. I tried that. And then like froze them. And then the kids could heat them up in the toaster.
Let it go, let it go.
But now I just make big ones. That wouldn't fit in the toaster. Oh, Chrissy! They double as coasters. Yours makes Wonder Woman pancakes. Hold on. Hold on, let's see. Wonder Woman pancakes. There is! Wonder Woman pancakes. There you go. It works quite well when I follow the directions.
Are those her boob covers?
No, it's not boob covers. Although it looks very much like them.
That's why I'm asking.
That is awesome. Wonder Woman pancakes. Oh, wait, it's got Star Wars pancakes? And Spider-Man pancakes! You like whole wheat pancakes, Swag? I'm a buttermilk pancaker. R2 eat you! Oh. Oh, okay, Post Limity. Hugs, hon. All the hugs. If you need to yak, just slide into my DMs. You can vent all you like. Now I want pancakes, dagnabbit. And Waffle House is closed. We can't even, like, drive through or get a delivery. They just close. For an indeterminate amount of time. No covered and smothered. Chugged or capped. We're on our own. Swag spread in the cooties to Talamar. Is IHOP still open? I don't know. I don't know where one is. I think there's one in the next big town. Gonna have to watch 50 First Dates again for Waffle House inspiration. I like that movie, Chrissy. I watch it a lot. I think it's adorable. All right, thanks, Swag, for the Pancake Raider. Wonder Woman style. Okay. So pancake and bacon, you're going to cook some this weekend? We have both. I think I am. I need pancakes. Why is there woofing? Why is there woofing going on? You stole her bone again. There was one on the bed. Night, Chris. I hope you feel better. Go rinse out your eyeballs. Soak them in a glass of water or something. She stole it from Nisa again. It might make them better faster if you can pop them out. Just rinse them off. The bone is always greener on the other side. Imp. Oh. Oh my goodness. So, So, supplies are going to run low. And when there's nothing left in the house, we'll all be eating ramens. But never fear, because Mima is here, and I got your rapid ramen cooker. Cooks ramen noodles in the microwave in 3 minutes. That would have to imply we have ramen. Everybody's got ramen. It's in the back of the pantry, underneath the mac and cheese. I already do that with a big bowl. I use my kettle. I just break up the ramen because I don't like it all long. So I like crack it into 4 pieces, put it in a bowl, and then I take the kettle and I just boil water and I pour it over it.
I don't break it up and use the kettle and pour it in there.
Yeah, and then you have to twist and twist and twist it. Behind the 4 bottles of Worcestershire sauce you keep forgetting you have, so you buy more. Tell me more.
In our house, it was ketchup.
I did that with ketchup for months. We had so much ketchup it went bad.
We had like 7 bottles of ketchup in there.
So now whenever I start doing that with something else, we say, is mayonnaise the new ketchup? Because you keep buying it. Yeah, so that's the running joke in our house. Is that the new ketchup? Why do we have 4 of those? Oh. But wait.
There's more.
I think there's more.
There is, because you got the Hodor stop.
Or should I say, there's more? No. Hodor. Huh? Huh? It's a Hodor doorstop. You get it? Huh? Huh? But now you have to catch up with everything. And there it is in action. Leaf Proud! Hi, Mima, nice stream. Can I support you with help Twitch viewer com? I don't know what that means. But hi, hon, and welcome. Get it, Hodor. But wait.
There's more.
Just a couple more. And a couple is another way of saying 2, like number 2.
Just like poo.
But wait, it's battle time. All right. You know there's guys all the way on the other side. Did we put people there? Okay. FPS is there. And Imp. And sleeps with fishes. Here we go. Go! I'm inspiring you! Go! Go! FPS with 16 kills already. got the assist. Victory is ours. Warrior monks. Barry is the wiener. Boss battle. Undead boss battle. All right. I'm doing my flag bearer again. I like it. I'm gonna go by this guy. Cause he's grinning. The Lich King. All right. Corey spreading the cooties. Also war Corin now. Thank you. Thank you, Corey. Okay, so what were we talking about? Oh, number 2. If your duties be cray, please use the spray. Huh? Huh? You get it? Oh, for the guest bathroom. Where you can put the guest sponge.
Look at the also the more by wander and wait post down the page a little bit.
Hold on. What am I looking at?
Scroll down to where it says more by wander and wait post.
Oh. Yeah, I've got a few of those in there.
Okay.
Gas sponge not a suitable substitute for toilet tissue. Is that along the lines of if you sprinkle when you tinkle? Yeah, Talmar. It gives you guys something to look at. You know, if you put it up over the toilet while you're standing there. You're doing nothing. Oh. But wait.
Last one. Too bad there's not a video.
Oh, yeah, I wish there was. They're doing nothing in the Well, guys do. Because they stand up. And they just stand there looking at the wall.
Hopefully they're watching their aim.
Don't judge. Oh, unframed sign. So a sheet of paper I can print on my printer. Maybe it's really nice paper. Huh, Talmor? Huh? It could be fancy. It could be embossed. We are doing something, or we would not be standing there. Oh, okay. And speaking of number 2, if you get bored, there's always the pile driver. 5,000. That's right. With spinning and farting action. Give the number 2 toy in the world.
I don't know.
Drive this remote control poop car around to befuddle your friends and amaze your pets. This 49 megahertz version can be raced against the 27 megahertz version. You can have races. The controls probably stink. It looks like only 2 buttons. Oh. Oh, my face.
Well, that one might be a joystick.
Oh, it could be. It could be. Let's see. The pile driver. Plunge forward.
Yeah, look in there. It looks like a little plunger.
Swirl downward. And fart deployment. Oh, yep. Oh, plunger joystick. Forward propels the power. Pile driver forward. Back sends the pile driver into a swirly spin. Our race would be a real shit show. Oh, want to have a poop race? Oh my goodness. Oh, polyvinyl material for realistic feel and action. What? That's some expensive crap. Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Advanced engineering for optimal
How about no?
crappy aerodynamics. Oh. Oh. All right, you're going to have to wait a bit, though. There's no delivery till May. They do not consider the pile driver remote control poop car an essential. Cool, Chris.
Subscriber.
Thank you so much for that sub, hon. 3 months. You get a new paw. Some love in that chat. Thank you so much, hon. I appreciate it. Oh, yeah. So the poop car is not essential. There will be a delivery delay. Just letting you know up front, or should I say, behind. Sometimes they're just for me. Drink them if you got them. So thirsty. It never comes out when you expect. There we go. Yoda, hello. I seem to have come in at an interesting moment. How you doing, Yoda? Mwah. Happy weekend. So your order of this product would be constipated. Never thought I'd see someone holding poop on stream. Are you kidding me? You haven't seen enough of our streams. Oh, good. Glad to hear you're well, Yoda. Stay that way. Hunker down. Stay safe.